Oh boy, I bought a CPU cooler because my other one worked in Wisconsin where it was cold, but Florida it's too hot, so I had to buy a bigger one that cost me over three times as much.
I'm sorry, that's unfortunate. This is why living in Wisconsin is a good thing, right there.
It was kind of nice, honestly.
Yeah, yeah, okay. All right. Cool. So here we go. We have 8 more class periods left. Yay. 8 more class periods. 4 more class periods of me teaching. That is it. We're getting down to the end. Doesn't feel like it right now, but we're getting down to the end. We can do this. So the schedule for presentations online should be correct with the email that I sent out. It took 2 tries. We're good now. Should be good. If you want to use PowerPoint, etc., for Zoom presenting live, I will make sure to set it up so that you can share your screen. Everybody can see your PowerPoint just like I've been teaching class, or Google Slides, or whatever else you want to use. You should be able to do that. If you are recording, pre-recording it and sending it to me, once again, remember there's a slot in Moodle for you to submit that, and then I will figure out how to get those posted on Moodle so that you can watch one of those presentations if you would like to. You are responsible for watching 5. It is entirely up to you which 5 you want. If you have time and you have nothing to do with your life and you want to watch more than 5, you are more than welcome to do that as well. We've got a minimum of 5. Expectations clear on that? Yes, we're good? Everybody good? Any questions on that? Okay then. Today, we are going to talk about secret sharing schemes. So, basics of secret sharing schemes first, and then I'm going to put you into breakout rooms and let you figure out how to do this with just 2 people. So, here's the basics of secret sharing schemes. Here's what we're trying to do. We've got this secret piece of information, K, and we want to split it among a certain number of people. And the number of people that we are trying to split this among is flexible. That's part of the requirements for a secret sharing scheme. So the things that we want to do is, if you have everybody combine what's called their shares, the piece of information that they get, all of those shares put together can reconstruct the key. Okay, so that's the first requirement for a secret sharing scheme. When you put everybody's share together, you can reconstruct the key. But no one person can figure out the key on their own. This is the other requirement. So we have some trust in this group of people, but no trust in anybody individually. And another way to say this would be, no smaller group than the whole group of people can figure out the key, okay? Practical example would be my military example. We need authorization from 2 people to launch a military strike, both the president and the chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff. So both of them have to, I don't know, put their thumbprints on a scanner or something like that and authorize this military strike. So you need 2 people in order to be able to do this, okay? So I'm going to put you in breakout rooms, maybe 3-4 minutes, something like that. Talk about ways that you could do this with 2 people. If you looked ahead at the slides, then you have the answer. If you didn't look ahead at the slides, don't look ahead at the slides, and see if you can come up with ways to do this. So random, we're going to do random breakout rooms today, and we'll do 3 or 4 of you per room. Okay, you should have an invite. Go ahead, do breakout rooms, talk for just a couple of minutes.